Good morning, students. So let's continue with our chapter, that is admission of a partner. Write down the next side heading: accounting treatment of goodwill in case of admission of a partner. So before I give you the journal entries, what journal entries we need to pass, let me explain you the concept of treatment of goodwill in case of admission of a partner. Say for example, there are two partners, that is A and B. Okay? C is admitted into a partnership firm. तो C क्या हुआ? C पार्टनरशिप में आ गया. So now ये फर्म किसकी है? It is the firm of A and B. A and B have worked hard over a past few years. इन्होंने अपनी reputation बनाई है, profit बनाया है. अचानक से they admit C into the partnership. Whenever they are admitting C into the partnership, what is C getting? C is getting capital into the new firm. कैपिटल तो वो लेके आएगा ही. अगर कोई भी नया पार्टनर आएगा तो इट इज कंपल्सरी फॉर दैट पार्टनर टू ब्रिंग इन द कैपिटल इन अ न्यू फॉर्म. बट अब ए और बी सी को क्या बोलेंगे? भाई हम तो इतने साल से मेहनत करके अपनी रेपुटेशन कमा रहे हैं, अब बिकॉज आप आ रहे हो हमारा प्रॉफिट तो माइनस हो रहा है. Isn't the profit of A and B being deducted? Yes. क्यों? Because when C is admitted into the partnership firm, क्या होता है? They have to sacrifice their part of the share to C. तो अब A और B बोलते हैं भाई आप तो पहले दिन से ही प्लस में रहोगे, प्रॉफिट में रहोगे, मेहनत तो हमारी है. So now A and B will tell C that you have to compensate us something because हमारा थोड़ा सा part of profit we are sacrificing to you. So C agrees and C बोलता है कि ठीक है भाई ले लो, आपको जितना लॉस हो रहा है उसमें से आप मेरे से पैसे ले लो. And that money which C gives to the partner who is sacrificing is known as premium for goodwill. तो जो भी प्रॉफिट पार्टनर सैक्रिफाइस करते हैं इन फेवर ऑफ सी, उतना अमाउंट सी विल कॉम्पेंसेट टू द पार्टनर. नाउ से फॉर द एग्जांपल ओनली बी इज सैक्रिफाइसिंग हिज शेयर टू सी. इन सच अ केस क्या होगा? सी विल गिव प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल ओनली टू बी एंड नॉट टू ए. तो जब भी जो पार्टनर सैक्रिफाइस करेगा, he will be getting the compensation from the new partner which is known as premium for goodwill. Clear? तो now in case of premium of goodwill कितने cases हो सकते हैं? So now accounting treatment of goodwill in case of admission of a partner, there are three cases. Case number 1, when the amount of goodwill is paid privately. So in this case what happens? Say for example A and B are partners. C is admitted into the new partnership firm. तो अब A and B sacrifice their share for C. But now C is not getting the goodwill in the firm. But वो privately A और B को दे रहा है. Say for example he is compensating 50,000 each to A and B. That money he is not bringing in the firm. वो directly जाके A और B को दे रहा है. So in such a case no entry will be passed. Clear? So what is case 2? When the new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash. So केस 2 में ये दिया है कि जब नया पार्टनर आएगा he will bring a share of goodwill in cash. तो सबसे पहले तो whenever a new partner is admitted he will be bringing capital. तो उसकी जर्नल एंट्री क्या है? We already know that it is cash और बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड. Who is the new partner? जो भी न्यू पार्टनर रहेगा to new partners कैपिटल अकाउंट. ये जर्नल एंट्री तो आपको आती है. जब भी कोई नया पार्टनर आएगा ही विल बी ब्रिंगिंग कैपिटल. तो उसकी एंट्री क्या है? कैश और बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू न्यू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. सो अंडर दिस राइट डाउन फर्स्ट वन, when the amount of goodwill so under this write down first one, when the amount of goodwill brought in by the new partner is retained in the business. So we have case 1 under this. इसमें क्या हुआ, सबसे पहले तो न्यू पार्टनर गुडविल लेके आया. सो व्हाट विल बी द जर्नल एंट्री? कैश और बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड to premium for goodwill account. Please write down the full form for GW. It is goodwill. When he gets the goodwill, this goodwill will be transferred to the old partner's capital account. So what will be the journal entry? Premium for goodwill account debited. जिसने भी sacrifice किया है, only that person would get the goodwill to old partner's capital account. This will be in sacrificing ratio. Why sacrificing ratio? Because whatever amount is sacrificed by the old partners to the new partners, that amount will be given as premium for goodwill. It will be in the sacrificing ratio. Clear? Then uske under we have second, when goodwill is brought in by the new partner is withdrawn by the old partner. तो न्यू पार्टनर गुडविल लेके आया प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल, तो ओल्ड पार्टनर ने क्या किया, ये सीधा अपने अपने घर ले गए, फॉर्म में डाला ही नहीं, जस्ट विथड्रू फ्रॉम द फॉर्म एंड अपना घर ले गए. सो व्हाट विल बी द जर्नल एंट्री इन सच ए केस? द जर्नल एंट्री विल बी ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैश और बैंक अकाउंट. क्लियर? सो we have case 2, that is when the new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash. जब वो कैश के हिसाब से लाएगा, what happens? What is the entry for goodwill? Cash or bank account debited to premium for goodwill, and this premium for goodwill is credited to old partner's capital account. Why is it credited? Because the old partner's capital account is increasing. And next, जब goodwill नया पार्टनर लेके आता है, but old partners withdraw from the business, तो सीधा सीधा वो अपने घर ले जाते हैं, फॉर्म में लाते ही नहीं. So what will be the journal entry? Old partner's capital account debited to cash or bank account. Clear? उसके बाद we have case number 3. Case 3. It says when the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. तो केस 2 क्या था? न्यू पार्टनर इज ब्रिंगिंग हिज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल इन कैश, बट केस 3 ये बोल रहा है दैट द न्यू पार्टनर डज नॉट ब्रिंग हिज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल इन कैश. सो इन सच ए केस वी विल बी यूजिंग अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 26. व्हाट इज अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 26? आपको ये याद रखना है. इट इज रिलेटेड टू intangible assets and it states that goodwill will be recorded in the books only when some consideration in money has been paid for it. तो गुडविल तभी रिकॉर्ड होगी जब देर हैज बीन सम मनी पेड फॉर इट. अगर मनी नहीं है, देर इज नो कंसिडरेशन इन कैश, so goodwill will not be recorded. So in such a case, what will be the journal entry? It is new partners current account debited to old partners capital account. तो हम करंट अकाउंट क्यों लिख रहे हैं? बिकॉज इट स्पेसिफाइज दैट वी हैव टू टेक मनी फ्रॉम द न्यू पार्टनर. दैट इज वाई वी आर डेबिटिंग न्यू पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट. दिस विल ऑल्सो बी इन सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. सो रिमेंबर क्यों सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो है? जब दो पार्टनर्स हैं वो अपना शेयर सैक्रिफाइस करते हैं न्यू पार्टनर के लिए, so whatever journal entries are made will be in sacrificing ratio. Under this, write down a note. If nothing is mentioned in the question, comma, always assume partner is not able to bring his goodwill in cash. तो बहुत बार एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन देंगे जहां वो मेंशन नहीं करेंगे whether the goodwill has been brought in cash or not. तो बहुत बार स्टूडेंट्स क्या गलती कर देते हैं, दे एज्यूम दैट वो कैश में लाया है एंड दे डू द केस नंबर 2, बट दैट इज नॉट राइट. अगर कुछ भी मेंशन नहीं किया है अबाउट whether goodwill is brought in cash or not, we assume that goodwill is not brought in cash and it is case number 3. Okay, so accounting treatment in case of goodwill, there are 3 cases. Case 1, when the amount of goodwill is paid privately. जब न्यू पार्टनर गुडविल फर्म में लाता ही नहीं है, वो बाहर ही प्राइवेटली दे देता है ओल्ड पार्टनर्स को. सो इन सच ए केस नो एंट्री विल बी पास्ड. केस 2 इज व्हेन द न्यू पार्टनर ब्रिंग्स हिज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल इन कैश. तो जब भी वो गुडविल कैश में लाता है तो फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी ब्रिंगिंग गुडविल, सेकेंड एंट्री विल बी ट्रांसफरिंग द गुडविल टू द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट इन देयर सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. And in case क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि goodwill is brought by the new partner and immediately it is withdrawn by the old partners, so there will be one more entry that will be withdrawing of goodwill by the old partners, that is old partners capital account to cash or bank account. And then we have case number 3 which states that when new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash, उसमें हम accounting standard 26 use करेंगे, that is intangible assets. And it is nothing but one journal entry will be passed, that is new partner's current account debited to old partner's capital account. So ये हो गए 3 cases goodwill के. So write down a note. If there is any already existing goodwill, comma, it should be written off. So what does this mean? कि बैलेंस शीट में there is already goodwill before the new partner was admitted. So this goodwill should be written off. किसको मिलेगी ये goodwill? Before the partner was admitted, this goodwill was of the old partners. तो इसकी journal entry क्या रहेगी? It is old partners capital account debited to goodwill account. तो अब ये कौन से रेशियो में होएगा? विल इट बी इन सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो और ओल्ड रेशियो? इट विल बी इन ओल्ड रेशियो. क्यों? बिकॉज ये जो गुडविल है इट इज ऑफ द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स एंड दिस शुड बी डिवाइडेड अमंग द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स इन देयर ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. बट व्हेन देयर आर 3 केसेस ऑफ गुडविल, केस 1, केस 2, केस 3, ऑलवेज द गुडविल विच इज ब्रॉट इन, इट विल बी इन केस ऑफ सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. क्लियर? तो सम्स करते हैं ताकि यू गेट मोर ऑफ क्लैरिटी विद इट. सो लेट्स टेक द इलस्ट्रेशन 22. A and B are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. They admit C into the firm for 3/7 profit, which he takes 2/7 from A and 1/7 from B. C brings 60,000 for his share of goodwill and 2 lakh for his capital. Give necessary journal entry and also calculate the new ratio. So first, what is given? They have given us old ratio of A and B, that is 3:2. They say that C is admitted for 3/7 of profit which he acquires from A 2/7 and from B 1/7. C brings his share of goodwill. C's goodwill 60,000. C's capital is 2 lakh. Correct? So ये कौन सा केस हुआ? They have clearly given in the question that C brings 60,000 for his share of goodwill. तो C goodwill लेके आया है in cash. So it is case number 2. Correct? Because they have already mentioned in the problem, C brings 60,000 for the share of goodwill. So first what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the sacrifice ratio. So write down calculation of sacrifice रेशियो। क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? दे हैव क्लियरली सेड दैट ही टेक्स 2/7 फ्रॉम ए एंड 1/7 फ्रॉम बी. So what will be the sacrifice ratio? 2/7 is to 1/7, that is 2:1. After that we need to write journal entries. Draw the format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So what will be the first journal entry? It is he brings capital and he brings goodwill. So it will be bank account debited to capital account to premium for goodwill account. कितना capital लेके आया? 2 lakh. How much goodwill did he bring? 60,000. Total bank will be 2,60,000. What is the narration? Write down amount of capital and goodwill brought in cash. After this we need to transfer this premium for goodwill account debited to old partners capital account. किसने sacrifice किया है? दोनों A and B ने sacrifice किया है. So A's capital account to B's capital account. How much goodwill did he bring? 60,000. So A sacrifices 60,000 into 2/3. Why 2/3? Because we have found out the sacrifice ratio. It will be 40,000. And for B it is 60,000 into 1/3, that is 20,000. Write down the narration. Goodwill transferred to old partners capital account in their sacrificing ratio. Next in the question they have asked us to calculate the new ratio. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. A, B, C. What is the old ratio? 3/5. What is sacrifice ratio? 21 minus 10/35. We get 11/35. Next, what is the old ratio of B? 2/5. What is his sacrifice ratio? 1/7. Again, LCM is 35. 14 minus 5. We get 9/35. What is C's share? 3/7. It is, इसका भी LCM 35 लाना पड़ेगा. So 15/35. So new ratio is 11:9:15. Clear? Write down the next problem. A, B, C, D are partners sharing profit and losses equally. Full stop. E was admitted for 1/3 share which he acquires equally from C and D. Full stop. On E's admission, goodwill of the firm was 3 lakh. Past journal entries. So इस क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? First write down what is given. They have given old ratio of A:3:3:D, that is 1:1:1:1 equally दिया है. E was admitted कितने शेयर के लिए? 1/3 share which he acquires from C and D equally. तो क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? E आया पार्टनरशिप में बट उसने A और B से कुछ नहीं लिया. He only acquired from C and D equally. फिर दिया है गुडविल ऑफ द फर्म इज 3 lakh. गुडविल ऑफ द फर्म कितना दिया है? ₹3 lakh. Have they mentioned कि new partner has brought into the business in cash or not brought into the firm in cash? Nothing has been mentioned in the problem. So when I already told you that if nothing has been mentioned in the problem about if the goodwill is brought in cash or not, we assume that it is not brought by the new partner in cash. So what is the goodwill of the firm? Goodwill of the firm is 3 lakh. So what will be the share of the new partner E? So write down goodwill of the new partner. 3 lakh is the firm's goodwill, उसमें से what is the share of E? It is 1/3. So the share of goodwill is only 1 lakh of Mr. E. Because only C and D have sacrificed their ratio for new partner, E will be giving compensation only to Mr. C and Mr. D. So what will be the journal entry? Write down journal entry, draw the format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. This is case number 3 when goodwill is not brought in cash. So what is the journal entry for that? Is current account debited. Who is the sacrificing partner? C's capital account to D's capital account. Write down the narration. Current account of new partner debited from his share of goodwill and capital account of C and D credited in their sacrificing ratio, that is 1:1. So in case you want to find out the sacrifice ratio separately, what will it be? What is the new partner's share? It is 1/3. उसको आधा C से मिला, आधा D से मिला. So it is 1/6, 1/6. Again, the sacrifice ratio will be 1:1. So either you can write directly or you can even work out and calculate the sacrificing ratio. If they are mentioned in the problem that you have to compulsory calculate the sacrifice ratio, then you have to do a separate calculation of sacrificing ratio. Clear? So this is a very important problem. So mark it as important कि अगर a new partner is admitted and he gets his share only from 2 partners, then how do we work out the problem? And अगर question में नहीं दिया है whether the goodwill has been brought in cash or not, it is case number 3. So clear? I know it's little more confusing because it is new now. As and when you work out, as and when you practice, आपको अच्छे से समझ आने लग जाएगा. So that's all for today. Thank you.